Everyone, Mother's Day is around the corner, so I'm here to show you a very, very, very simple recipe that you can use to make something nice for your mom. To do this, I'm here with the one and only, the most righteous person for this video. Mommy!
Right here.
I am screaming. Today, we're going to be making Waffle Yogurt Parfait. I just came back from France, you know, I'm bilingual, so parfait.
Oh no.
Bonjour, mademoiselle. That's the limit of my French. Anyway! This series is called Sweethand, and as you all know, very sweet. Very sweet. Courts have been watching and they realize that I'm a master chef and they brought me at least. Alright, how are we doing this?
So we need...
This is like a regular day in the life because I make all the meals in my house since I was a child.
So we need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour.
We had that, I done from everything easy.
Right.
Yeah, I done sorted all that long time.
1.5 cups
we started, okay.
all-purpose flour into a bowl. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt and sugar.
Any bowl? Right. Boom! So in a large mixing bowl together.
Flour.
I am a master chef, just by the way. I am great at this. Boom! Hey, that 2 whisks, you know. Yeah. Whisk together. You right. Hey, what we gonna do, right? You had many things. I will just do what I'm good at.
Yes, master chef.
Come on. Yeah.
2 tablespoons of baking powder. I think you have to whisk it after we put them all together. Yeah.
What's this?
Baking powder.
Wait, we need that 2 minutes. Let me catch myself here. I lost the sauce.
We mix it together, the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar.
Okay, right.
So baking powder. That's flour, this is baking powder.
You see, what you gotta do with these things, right? You gotta make a little indentation there to put the stuff in, right? That's how you just really get the flour kneading the stuff. Baking powder. Good.
Salt.
Salt.
Sugar.
And sugar, and everything spiced and nice. Powerpuff Girls is born. Until well combined. Great. So yeah, this is what I do best. Mix.
Next bowl.
Bowl?
Yeah, in a separate bowl.
I don't think it mixed together yet.
Yeah, that's good.
You sure?
Yeah, sure. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk.
Do you want to see milk? This one? You have meetings like that, you know? Because
yeah, so we're gonna go.
Because I love snooze.
Milk.
Vegetable oil. How I make a mess?
Milk. Vegetable oil or melted butter, and we're gonna use melted butter.
Okay. Yeah, you. So that's why we have 2 whisks. Nice.
Melted butter.
Alright, melted butter. I also prepped everything right before, so that's why, you know, the butter's already melted.
The egg after.
You wanna crack the egg?
No, you go right ahead. Crack it in the bowl.
With this one?
Yeah.
I can
because in case it's bad.
No, look. If it didn't fall in there, I would have screamed. Boom.
And vanilla extract.
So you could have started when I was cut up here. Fun fact, I only learned that you should not whisk eggs with a spoon like 2 weeks ago. I used to use a spoon on them.
Alright, here we go. So now we have to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combine.
This is us not using waffle mixer, waffles from scratch. You know why? How it unseparate?
Because we have to whisk.
But if you don't want it unseparate, you see that too, right?
Yeah. That's good. So then we
remember
have to
the index, sorry.
We have to pour this into here. Right.
Nice.
So maybe we should just use the bigger one.
Nice.
Okay.
This one you have to make it game to it too.
All right, go ahead. Mix. Do not overmix. It's okay if there are a few lumps in the batter. Yeah.
So, I didn't already eat that with them. Just, you know, sing a song in the meantime. Talk to them.
Talk to them.
Yeah, talk to
You
them.
sing the song and let me mix.
No, I don't in the sauce, yeah. Okay, what about for Mother's Day, moms? As we hear.
A lot of things.
Try again.
A lot of things.
Try again.
Yeah. Grandchildren.
What?
I need to have.
Bruh, okay, hold up. There we are. Let's
And I also want a waffle maker.
Oh. that you could get. That one you could get. It's just start with that.
Oh my god, just mix.
This is a good time to cut the commercial. This video is brought to you by Quartz and the Quartz Cook app.
The next video you see would be me giving my mom a waffle maker for Mother's Day, sponsored by Quartz.
Here we go.
Welcome back to our cooking show. Mommy just sprayed the pan.
So now we have to pour the batter
Yeah,
into the waffle iron, spread it evenly, and cook according to the manufacturer's
My someone used to make lobster and thing.
Yes.
So this,
Let's go.
you couldn't handle that. You can go just
Thank you.
observe from afar. Plus a little hot too. Seems dangerous.
It seems dangerous.
You going to try it?
Yeah.
It's sizzling, but like sizzler. Dragon. Sizzler sing the mama song, eh? Boom! Right, so it in the waffle maker. In the meantime, you can organize the yogurt parfait. Mademoiselle. Bonjour. You want next French? You want next French thing?
There we go.
You want next French thing?
Another one.
Yeah. While that's working, we're gonna organize the yogurt.
Right. Cut the in a serving glass. Layer the ingredients, starting with a spoonful of homemade yogurt on the bottom.
A spoonful. I don't easy.
Let's use one of these.
This mom's a spoon really small.
Yeah, because I have to put it in there neatly. Come on.
I that man really does it too, you know. That clap one real fast. You don't want to supervise this stuff. I feel like I need it. Right. 1 spoonful. You need more than this. We have 2 types of yogurt, so what I'll do is I'll just give me 1 type and I'll give you 1 type. You cool with that?
Yes.
Great. But you cool with me mixing the spoons?
I'll give you another one.
So no. Okay. Noted. To really give it that, you know, that extra, je ne sais, was it? Je ne sais quoi, je ne sais quoi, you know, to get that extra upper. Yeah. You want to just lay, rim the top with some yogurt. Stay tuned, you'll understand why after, right? But I'm just going to try it on mine. You seen it? Stay tuned, just remember that we did that. You know, this Mother's Day I was really going to bring a recipe that I think is like to my level, but I realized that might be a challenge. So I brought something very, very simple and nice and easy so that all of you can make it. Welcome back to our channel. Right, so the waffles are finished.
Oh, finished.
Finished,
Yeah.
great. We're going to take it out, then we're going to cut it up. You swear I say because it's cubes. You get a joke?
Waffles.
Great. So once you use Quartz waffle maker, you just have to follow these cubes and cut along. Come on. Well, that man can really cut the waffles too. That's a straight line there. You see that? I'm talented.
Very
You
good.
just sent me to culinary school. Why didn't do that?
I sent your other brother.
But why didn't send me? How much cubes do you want? Onions?
2.
Hello?
Cut the waffles into small squares.
So put them in, right?
Yeah.
You want, which one is yours? Which one you want? I'll take this one because mine have the
Okay.
fancy thing on top. This waffle is really nice and crispy, so I want to play about 5 in mine.
5. And then we have to put more yogurt.
More yogurt?
Yeah.
What do you want to do in the meantime now?
Followed by a layer of. Oh no, we have to do fruit now.
Hey, I can't put too much Waffles. Yeah, nah, you're affecting my masterpiece now. No.
Put some fruit.
And you could have cut them strawberries. Moms. Hold on. Gotta make it artistic. Come on.
Oh, you want the chunks instead?
Patch that in, but I get 4
of those.
and just around. I cast a little in.
Alright.
You see the vision?
Yeah.
I know that.
Very nice.
You see it now?
You see, that's why I always had you building Legos, so you'll understand.
When?
Okay.
What?
1.
You ever tried? I don't know what is what? What? Also, I really agree, nah.
And then we have to drizzle a little bit of honey
Oh,
or maple syrup over the fruits.
well, just for me, because just call me honey over there. Because I see. So, honey,
Yeah, a little bit.
using the tiger too. Yeah.
You want a little bit of a spoon or?
a spoon?
Okay.
Nah. Right, how much honey? You already honey yours or like,
No, not
like so like slight honey?
Yeah, slight.
Slight honey. Right. So for mom's slight honey, you know.
The age.
That's where you get that line right there. It's art to making too. That's exactly, you know. You want more than that?
No, that's fine.
That's it for you?
Yeah.
For me, you gotta hold it at a distance, right? Because once it's at a distance and it's falling, is dispersed. You see it in real life. Science, come on, stick with it. Great. What we are next?
I don't know. I don't know how to get this back. All right. So now yogurt, and then
Oh yeah, but we didn't put
everything.
bananas.
You put them one time.
Yeah, I was using my hand. I was always getting the placement now. You know what I'm saying? I should put one more. Oh, this is looking really good.
Right. Now back yogurt again.
Wait. Oh, yogurt? Okay, you
Yogurt.
put yogurt. Oh, you know what we should do? We should mix yogurt.
Okay. So give me the white one now. That's a good.
I said, yeah. You know why?
one.
Because the master chef wants. Come
Oh,
on.
no.
That's why I get paid the big bucks in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we'll open for them restaurants and things on the weekend too. And then,
This is good. And then we go back with the fruit again.
I can't take all that fruit again, I think. I
Fruit
think max right now.
Strawberry again. Slices or chunks? Slices.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a slice. Oh, I really want this waffle. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I put a waffle.
Mm-hmm. Right.
And this. And I want banana. I made it. I max
Right.
out.
And then we have to put granola as well. So
Right, that's me there.
right. So we're gonna put one
What you want it?
one waffle.
One more. You want a waffle?
Yes, thanks. And some more fruit.
Yeah. I'm leaving them strawberries, right?
I know, this looks good.
More?
Yeah, 3.
So no bananas.
And then we could put some banana now.
I don't put that. I don't whiskey, you know. Joke.
No.
You want one of this?
Yeah.
Great, yeah.
And then we have to put a little bit of yogurt and then some granola. A dollop of yogurt.
Okay, a dollop. Yeah, I know exactly what a dollop is, so we... Now we put a
Which one? Mix it again?
what, so you
Yeah.
want to do? Hey. Yeah, okay.
Right?
That's a dollop?
Yes. So you do the same thing on this one.
For my girls, a little more. I'm going to stick a little more in it. I'm going to, I'm going to stick a little more.
Right?
Great. And a little more.
Just granola. Oh no.
And that's how simple it is to make waffle yogurt parfait.
Yes, waffle yogurt parfait.
Forgot to mention what you had at the top. A little sugar. You take I know you see it sticking to the thing. So just do that. A little extra sweetness. If you have a sweet tooth like me. Boom! It's finished now. Looks amazing. Much thanks to Mom for helping us out.
Cheers.
Cheers. Salute. What do you say in France?
I don't know.
For watching, mercy. Thanks.
Let's go.
Alright, we're going. Why are you trying to granola first? Oh, no, this is nice. This is nice. Hey! You wish we should do an interlock pan.
Oh, that is. How do you do that?
Maybe dance around a circle.
Why do you have to dance around in a
It's
circle?
bad.
But you could have me doing stripping and stuff.
It's really bad though. It's really bad.
You have me doing the waffle parfait dance.
The waffle parfait dance. Mom, did you have a good time?
Yes, I did.
I was dealing with that. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. You can get this recipe. Look out for it on the Quartz Cook app. Of course, you waffle maker. Go to Quartz, shop online with Quartz. That'll be outside.
Done.
Yeah.